guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Dune Sandcrawler. And I think I've got the body pretty well straightened out at this point. Took a bit more filling and sanding than I was expecting. Parts fit wasn't really great on this, but taking a look around, you can see I've got some filler there in the nose and along this side, including on that rear arm there. A little bit more on the rear outriggers. But at this point, I think it's pretty well done and it's ready for the final base coat. But before I do that, I was looking at the box art and I saw that they had added a bunch of rivet detail around the canopy, to the nose, the sides, those panels underneath the glass, and I kind of like the look of that. I don't think I want to add as many as what they've got here, but I did want to add some. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these Archer fine transfers, and I'm going to be adding a few lines of these around the hull in some places. So I'm going to get these applied, I'm going to get that final primer coat on it, and I will be right back. Okay, I think it is finally ready for some paint. So taking a look at what I did, so I used the Archer and applied a line right around the canopy there, across the front and down here. I've also added, come on, focus, not on the wheel, there we go. Added a line back here on that little spat. And as long as the camera is insisting on focusing on the wheels, I did start the weathering on it. You can see a little bit of that here on the bottom of the hull too. Most of this is primed in a fine gray primer so that it's easily sanded and gives for a nice smooth finish. But I also did the bottom and the back here. You can see it on the paddle here. I did those in the Duplicolor filler primer, and I shot far enough that it's kind of a light dry mist coat, so it's got a little bit of texture starting in it. And I thought that'd be a good way to just kind of start the sand texture on it. So I'm going to keep working toward that. I'm going to get the paint on it. And at this point, I'm basically on the home stretch, so I should have the finished images of it next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.